Shri Yogai CG.
Madam, at the outset, this bill is superficial. It is merely an exercise of moving papers around and fails to address the pressing challenges that are being faced by the railways. The bill even fails to incorporate any of the recommendations made by several expert committees over the years. The Committee on Restructuring of Railways 2015 to protect the interest of stakeholders, promote competition recommended setting up an independent regulator, but this current bill fails to create an independent regulator. Madam, just to give a picture of the unseriousness and incompetence of the current current deposition, in May 2017, the Union Cabinet approved the constitution of RDA. RDA was somewhat limited, was like a regulator. The authority is yet to be set up, Madam. The Sridharan Committee 2014 emphasized the importance of granting financial powers to zonal administrations, allowing them to independently handle project tenders and other financial decisions without seeking approval of the Railway Board. Madam, similarly, the Committee on Restructuring Railways 2015 argued that empowering zones would foster healthy competition, enhance accountability for transport performance and profitability. This bill has again failed to act on any of the recommendations. I give a specific example, Madam. The Balasore train disaster highlights significant flaws in the railway compensation mechanism. The ex-gratia announcement totaling 32.8 crore, 76% of the 1102 officially affected victims sought justice through RCTs, filing 841 pleas for enhanced granting compensation. Then what was granted, Madam, out of 790 cases were resolved, granting 18.69 crore additional compensation, with the highest individual hike being 5.4 lakh. Madam, data reveals 90 injured victims received no initial compensation, and 232 cases were contested by railways demanding proof of travel. The bill could have prioritized addressing the systemic shortcoming, but instead fixates on procedural formalities, leaving critical issues of victim relief and justice unaddressed. Train derailment, Madam. The staffing shortage itself is the frequent and often fatal train collisions and derailments. In last 5 years, Madam, 351 persons died, 970 were injured in 200 consequential railway accidents. This includes the horrific Balasore and Kanchenjunga train accidents. About the Kavach system, Madam, as of February 2024, Kavach had been deployed on only 1465 route kilometer and 139 locomotives, with major routes like Delhi-Mumbai, Delhi-Kolkata still not covered by the system. Madam, the railway collisions are major safety challenges. In the annual report from Commissioner of Railway Safety suggests that train derailments in the country is much bigger problem for railway safety, with train derailment accounting for 75% of total accidents in 22-23. Madam, in 1 minute, Madam. Train defects were the single largest cause of train derailments, accounting for 40% of total derailments in 22-23. Madam, CAG has, in his report on derailments, Indian Railways found significant shortfalls in train inspection, with even for Group A and B, broad gauge routes had a shortfall in inspection ranging between a 30 and 50% different zones, meaning the tracks were non-inspected in stipulated period of time. Madam, there are 3 lakh vacant non-gazetted posts, and the Railway Board said the decision to re-engage retired staff was taken keeping with difficulties being experienced by zonal railways due to vacant posts. Madam, in RTI March 2024, the Ministry stated 1.5 lakh posts were vacant in the safety category, and as of August 2023, there were 53,000 vacancies in just operational safety division of Indian Railways. Madam, look at this position. I am concluding, Madam. Now, from 1991 to 21-22, we have lost 4.40 lakh jobs in the railways. Lastly, Madam, overcrowding. I wish the Honourable Minister, sits on the North Indian routes. One would be lucky to find a seat. And lastly, Madam, I am just digressing from this. Take the opportunity to request the Honourable Minister, in Kishanganj, Kocha Daman requires railway station. In my station, in my constituency, Nampur railway station has to be renovated. And kindly, Madam, in my constituency, the Falaknuma ROB and the Shastripura ROB will break the Guinness Book of Records now. For 4 years, Madam, it has been pending. And in Shastripura ROB